Hello everybody, I'm introducing you to Casa Paola at VILLANOVA Residencial. This development is in Jarretaderas, which is an area next to Nuevo Vallarta. We are entering the house. This will be the first bedroom. There's a closet in front of the bedroom, bathroom next to the bedroom. Large living room, air conditioning, dining room, the kitchen, very nice kitchen, fully equipped kitchen, outdoor area, there's an exit to this side too. This is like an bar, outdoor bar kind of thing. It can be used also, you can put another bed if you have to, or your office too. There's like a storage there, you can put bikes, anything, pantry. Second floor we're going. Two master bedrooms in the second floor. This is the first one with large closet space and ensuite bathroom. We're going to the real master bedroom, but this is the laundry area, very large, bright. Master bedroom, large flat screen TV, master bathroom, if you want more information on this house, please log on to Puerto Vallarta Property Rentals and look for Casa Paola at VILLANOVA.